Welcome to Noah's
Frying pan, frying pan. That's what I'm gonna hit you with if you don't act right. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Today we're going to be making beef tacos, so make sure you hit that like. Okay, let's start by greasing our pan. Just like that. Then let's add our ground beef. And then let's turn on our burner. To medium. And we'll just start browning our beef. And let's move on, we're next. Okay, now that we're done browning our hamburger, let's drain it onto some paper towels. Just like this. Make sure you get those juices out. Just like that. And now let's pour it back into our pan. And now let's move on to our next step. Okay, now let's add our taco seasoning. And our water. And let's mix this together. Just like this. And now let's turn back on our heat. And bring it to a boil. And then we'll simmer it for 4 minutes. And I'll show you the next step. Okay, let's take our tortilla. And then let's take our taco meat, just like this. Put in our tortilla like that. Then we'll take our cheese. And sprinkle it down the middle like that. Then we will roll it up, just like this. Then we'll take our toothpick, shove it down, all the way through. And we'll do that to the rest of them. And I'll show you the next step. Okay, now let's place one of our tacos into our oil, just like this. And let it cook and rotate it to cook all sides, and I'll show you the next step. This is our finished product.